What is good with y'all Snipes, man? Today has been a very good day, by the way, just to let y'all know, man. And we have made, at least I have made $10,362.78, guys. And it's been a very spectacular day on the live accounts, bro. So I'm going to show y'all exactly what I did and how I did it. This is BS9, by the way, guys. Y'all know who I am. And guys, I'm not going to lie. My brother took a big trade like this as well. He made more than me, guys. That's crazy, you know what I'm saying? Because he made an extra band in that video that we made. So y'all can see that on the S9 Trades channel later on, guys. But let's get on the BS9 channel right now, bro. And let's go to the move, bro. As y'all can see, we on the live account. We made $10,362.78. And we got a good amount of balance in our account, bro. We've been taking out so much profits recently, guys. So y'all know how I am, guys, with it. And guys, bro, it's been a very amazing, very spectacular, very good trade that we took, guys. So let me go back to it, man. And as y'all can see, me and FS were explaining it a little bit on the S9 Trades channel. But yeah, bro, really what it is, guys. And it's a very simple trade, bro. And FS told y'all some of his thinking about it. You know what I'm saying? About showing y'all even the TB break strategy with it, as well as, you know, it going to some liquidity. So let me explain to you guys something, right? With trading, guys, liquidity plays a big factor. Where the market goes plays a big factor, and what is happening currently in the market plays a big factor as well. So following where the market is trying to go is going to play one of the biggest factors in the world, guys. So I want y'all to remember that, guys. I want y'all to understand that. I want y'all to understand that you guys have to follow exactly where the market is trying to go. You get what I'm saying? Please do. You know what I'm saying? So let me go ahead and show y'all what I mean by that and what exactly I'm trying to get at, okay? So what I'm trying to get at by saying where the market is exactly trying to go is, me and FS9 seeing with this trade, guys, is it going all the way up, right? As y'all can see from the 9:30 a.m. area. So 9:28 started it, but 9:30, as y'all can see, started breaking through and continued going up, guys, right? And there was a big buy trend for a little while, but it only went, at the end of the day, from 9:30, it went from what, 20,026 to 20,191, which is a good amount of points. It was about 160 something points, right? But at the end of the day, guys, even though it's about 165 points or so, you guys have to understand that this is the 9:30 a.m. kind of range, bro. We expect a little bit more from the 9:30 a.m. range. Yes, it's about 200 points, but we expect a little bit more unless it's actually fully trying to get reversed and, you know, destroyed back down. As y'all can see, what happened is it got reversed and pushed back down, guys. That's what usually happens in these kind of positions, guys, where there's not a strong buy segment to actually continue bringing it up. And me and FS knew that this was just a liquidity grab, guys. They did it one time, finesse, act like they're going to go down so people can enter a sell, got stopped out one more time, guys. Remember, these points right here is about 60 to 70 points. Actually, 70 points, guys. This is 70 points. Let me show y'all exactly what I'm talking about, guys. This right here, guys, it's a 70-point kind of trade, as y'all can see. Let me drag it up for y'all. This whole thing is 70 points. This is a stop loss, guys. No one is even putting a stop loss, definitely with our kind of funded accounts. If you're using a funded account, we have a live account with this one, but if you're using a funded account, for example, you're not going to be able to risk 70 points in a trade unless you're dead ass using maybe one mini, I guess, or you're using micros, bro. So let me show y'all exactly how much one mini is compared to micros and everything like that, guys, right? So one mini and this 70 points right here, this whole segment will be about $1,200. You get what I'm trying to say, guys? That's about one mini. It's actually my fault. It's not even 70 points. It'll be $1,400. My fault for that, guys. So it really starts right here. $1,400. So yes, you can risk $1,400 if you're trying to make way more. First of all, you guys have to understand you're risking 70 points to get, let's say, even 70-point profit, right? Let's say I'm even trying to get $1,400 profit. At the end of the day, guys, this is not a good risk to do. I don't want to waste 70 points for a trade. I don't want to, make my trade take that long in a trade anyways to even wait for my trade. So that's just something I won't do. If you put it to 2, it'll go to 2,800, guys. That's damn near a stop loss. For a 50K account is guaranteed a stop loss. For a 100K account, is damn near, it's right there. If you have a daily loss limit, you lost with 2 minis, guys. So what I want to say by that is you have to understand that you have to wait it out, guys. You have to wait it out, okay? So they stopped some people out that were in the sales, dragged all the way down, and then went down hundreds of points, guys. You get what I'm saying? So it went all the way from the top, 190, literally to 900. Which about, it's a bunch of points, guys. You know what I'm saying? It's literally 100 points more than this, guys. So let's just say like that. It's 100 points more than this. this first run, which is about 190 points. It's about 290 to 300 points. Now, what I understood and FS understood, what we understood about this, we seen the TB break, obviously, but we had to obviously make sure with confirmation, everything like that. We seen a few other things, but you guys have to understand the market moves the same, guys. This trade literally took 1, 2, 3 minutes. The trade took 3 minutes to hit. It took 3 minutes to win. You make that money that fast. A lot of people like saying this, and I'm explaining this to y'all because a lot of people say this for some reason. They say, oh, in 3 minutes you made $10,000. You could have lost $10,000 in 3 minutes. That's actually factually incorrect. You get what I'm trying to say? I'm not going to agree with you in any kind of way with that situation because I have a stop loss, guys. I'm not here to not have a stop loss. I use 7 minis on this trade, by the way, guys. And FS9 used 7 minis on this trade as well. We risked a good amount. We made a good amount. This is about a 1 to 2.8, 1 to 3 kind of ratio, guys. So I risked about $3,700 or so to make $10,300. At the end of the day, I don't know if that's good for you, but that's good for me. That means if I risked $1,000, I made $2,800. See what I'm saying, guys? So y'all got to understand it in my perspective. In my perspective, it's a good trade. In a lot of people's perspective, it's a good trade. The most I risk, guys, as y'all can see, is I risk from 107 to about 133. Okay, guys? So the people that are saying you're risking so much or you are, you could have lost the same amount that fast. No, I could not, bro. How would I just lost the $3,000 something that I put in? But at the end of the day, if I'm making $7,000 yesterday or $5,000 today or $8,000, etc., I'm still above the $3,000 something that I would have lost. And I will always do that. And I will always be above and I will always win because I know what I'm doing. And this is not to go ahead and go above anyone, guys, but I just want y'all to understand that you don't have to just think you're going to lose the same amount at one time. I'm trying to encourage you guys to understand that. Have a good risk to reward ratio. Have a good risk. Have a good reward. Me and FS entered a good risk and a good reward, guys. He made more than me. Why did he make more than me, you ask, guys? We entered a trade in that video that we made on S9 Trades. Like, it's dropped today too. We entered a trade, like he entered a trade on his account, guys. And he just won bread. So, y'all see me, look at the time. It's 1:03 p.m., guys, right? As you can see, it's 1:03 p.m., right? Like, that's the time right now, guys. 1:03 p.m. So y'all have to understand that we understand how much we're trying to risk compared to our reward. And actually, if you go and actually drag this all the way out, it's that good of a trade that it continued, guys, went back to break even, went barely up in losses, and it went all the way down, guys. 12-point loss, went all the way down, hundreds of points. So you see why it's a good trade, guys? I'm really trying to let you guys know that a good trade is always findable. You have to wait. This trade, we found this at 9:40 a.m., guys. And then I went to the plays, guys, and we entered the trade. We missed out on this trade. We waited it out. Went right back in. I believe a buy or something like, a sell by this position, I believe. And we won, guys. So at the end of the day, you're always going to win if you wait it out. If you wait it out. You can't go too early in a trade and then lose. My fault, guys. Actually, the buy was right here by this area that we just missed out on. We didn't even enter. A good amount of us didn't enter, and some of us entered. And, we had a good stop and went right back into the sell right here. Caught infinite points and got out. So that's how trading works, guys. You might lose, but as long as you lose is a guaranteed risk, you're good to go. But if you lose and it's a guaranteed, like you just let it go, if you drag your stop loss too much in profit, too much in loss is my fault, etc., you're going to lose. And a lot of times, this is why I encourage this, guys. If you lose, as in what I mean by lose, guys, is break even. In my opinion, break even is losing, guys. The reason why I say that is, yes, if the trade is fully not working out, I don't say drag your stop loss up. I just say get out, right? Just X out. But if you're dragging up to break even, you're never going to win, guys. Because you're going to get stopped out, guys. You always get stopped out and then it goes to your move. You always get stopped out at break even and then it goes to your move. It always happens. Sometimes it doesn't happen, guys, but it always happens for the most part. So I'm just recommending you guys, please be smart with it. Be smart with what you're trying to do. Trade right. And if you trade right, you're going to win right. Tell these people that really trade institutionally, tell these quants, tell these other people. Some quants are not even that good, but just tell these other people that actually be trading for real. that actually have a resume and, repertoire under their field, under their belt, tell them, bro. And you'll see what I'm talking about, guys. You have to understand, stop loss, break even, that's nothing. Unless this is your second, third trade for the day and you're already up so much, you can do something like that. But if you're on your first trade, if you're really trying to lock in, get this trade right and get off for the day, play smart, bro. As y'all can see, this is exactly what we did. Very easy trade, bro. Very simple thing, bro. Caught liquidity, went down, caught one more liquidity because they knew people were going to sell it off, and then went all the way down 300 points damn near, guys. And now it's trying to actually test the 300-point range from the exact break-even point, bro, which is crazy. I didn't know this was going to be a break-even point, but it is, guys. And this is where price doesn't agree, and the buyers don't agree to buy more, guys. So it has to sell back off so buyers can get a better price, a better premium to buy. Okay, guys? That's how it goes. Peace out, guys. Have a great day. See you guys. Made $10,000 today. FS made 11 bands. And we made 21, guys.